There's 4 different types of content. And what I want to do is get you into the mindset of producing all of them if possible. Now, not everybody can do all of them. Some people are really good at one of them. Some people can actually excel in 2 of them. It doesn't matter. Whatever it is, you have to understand that as a brand, one of these particular forms of content need to be massively put on distribution lines. Now, by content, what do we mean? Distribution of information, whatever it is. You can have distribution of videos or images, pictures. You have graphic images. All of you guys have your Amazon listings with awesome images, which hopefully you do because they actually give an idea as to the quality of your product. There's actually text. People write articles to describe different situations, to describe different important, frequently asked questions about their product. That's actually really important too. And then there's a really powerful method that has been around for many hundreds of years probably, which is the radio method. Actually, about 119 years or so it's been around, just penetrating the entire planet, which is the radio. Now, the radio, what was it? It was audio content, audio. That's another form of content. And you guys probably have seen around recently a big explosion in audio consumption. I have a podcast. It's called the Facebook Marketing Ninja. There's all kinds of podcasts out there that people are listening to and consuming every single day. I am one of those that I'm such a busy man that I don't sit behind a camera and, sit behind a screen and watch videos all day long because I'm too busy for that. I like listening to education and listening to content. So whatever your brand is, if you realize what you produce in value to the world, you can produce content about that value. 4 forms of content. That's it. There's nothing else. Either you do videos or you do images, which we also call graphic images. It could be live images or whatever it is, explaining something or showing a story. Or you do written text, which is like articles, ebooks. You can do PDFs that are giveaways about a particular instruction about your product. If you have a toy line or if you have a baby line, you can say 5 tips to get babies to feel more comfortable or whatever it is. Imagination is the only limit here. And then you also have audio formats. If you haven't paid attention, recently Facebook rolled out a feature to do a live Facebook audio. So now you can actually do live audio on the Facebook platform. So really cool stuff that are going on. There's actually all kinds of tools that allow you to actually produce audio content that gets distributed on social media. And this is growing fast. Audio is one of the growth fastest distribution methods, so it's something that shouldn't be ignored completely. We should pay attention to that. So whatever it is, you need to discover your voice. What are you good at? What can you produce? There's tools that can help you produce videos, very simple videos. You can produce tutorials. You can produce freebies and giveaways to capture more attention because, guys, what is the name of the game at the end of the day? It's attention. We want to produce content that captures that attention. All of these methods, all of them 4, audio, video, images, text, they are forms of distribution of information that are going to help you capture that attention. I'm going to show you examples of how to build videos from nothing, on how to write articles and create freebies, on how to simply produce a podcast, for example, for your brand. That's really cool because you can just connect your podcast with your brand. And it's going to help you generate more sales and again, plant your roots. How to write articles, how to take pictures, all of that stuff, guys. There's a lot of resources today. Technology is making it easier and easier for you to get into the distribution lines of this planet. To give you a particular example, I discovered this tool that it's called Anchor, A-N-C-H-O-R. This is an awesome tool that is incredibly growing company. They have actually done an amazing platform that you can download on your app store, whether it's an iPhone or an Android, and then you can record audio directly in there. And guess what? Once you submit the episode, it goes everywhere. It goes into Apple Podcasts, it goes into Google Play stores, it goes into even Alexa, you can get in there. Crazy stuff. So now, again, the world is making it easier for you to actually be in front of so many people, to have their ear, to have their eyes, and build your brand and build your business. So get used to that, guys, because we're going to be exploring into that. Just so you know, It's important to have a combination of those, or if you cannot do all four of them, get really good in one of the forms of content.